Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This morning I am off to go pick up the replacement door for the little up. It's going to take me about an hour 45 to get there this morning. Yeah, I found the door on eBay as you guys know. Let's go pick it up. Alright guys, we are back, round trip of 4 hours, but it has been worth it. We have got a new replacement door for the up. It's looking in pretty good shape, so let's get it out and have a little closer look at what we've just bought. Guys, here it is, one complete door. It is pretty grimy, so I think first port of call will be to give it a quick wash down so we can see in more detail any marks. I can see already a little dink on it. But it's a damn sight better than the other door. The inside of it is even worse. So let's get that cleaned up quick. All right guys, that's the door cleaned up. It's looking pretty good actually. Let me show you. So, cleaned up pretty nicely. There's a few little dinks on it here. See that one? Nothing crazy, a couple little stone chips here and there. Nothing a bit of touch-up paint can't do really. Looks like someone's chewed the door handle, which is fun. But good news is, yeah, no huge dents, nothing crazy, which is good for an eBay find really. The top has taken a little knock here, but nothing crazy really there going on. And then, yeah, inside's all good, don't really care about the door card. It's pretty grimy, but that's coming off in a minute anyway. So that's pretty good. It's actually quite nice to get this piece out first, because I can kind of see how it works. So, you know, we've got one bolt here, another bolt down here, little wiring harness thing, little grommet top and bottom. So I guess I get a little screwdriver in there and I can clip that. And then it's got like a little release lever thing here. I guess you turn to get the plug off the other end. So that's pretty helpful to see. What's that? Oh, it's missing some bolts, but we can steal that off the other one. But yeah, so quite happy with that find. Next port of call for that will be get the door card off. All right guys, so yeah, to get this door card off, you're gonna need some trim removal tools like this. I've had these for years, so from doing various stereos in old cars, stuff like that. I imagine we'll probably need, you know, just a flat one like this, or I don't know. Yeah, one of these ones will do. And then, by the looks of things, we need to just pop this little cover off down up here, which should, there we go, which should reveal looks like a T20 screw. So we'll get that out, and then there's another one here. And then once I get those out, I should be able to go around my trim removal tool and just pop any clips that go around it. I'm going to try and be very delicate by doing this so I don't break anything, break any clips, etc. This is the door card we don't need. So if I do break something, it's fine, not the end of the world. This is kind of like my experiment, tester door, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's get that off now, quick. Well guys, I am defeated. Spent way too long trying to get that off, and yeah, don't think I'm going to do it today. I think there's another bolt somewhere that I need to take out. From what I can tell, there seems to be a little guy in this little cutout here. I don't know if you can see it really on camera. Yeah, there we go. Seems to be like a little bolt thing that I need to turn. I have not got a pair of thin nose pliers on me, so I think we're gonna have to call it and come back with a pair of thin nose pliers and give that another go tomorrow. Right, we're back. Did a bit more research last night, and I managed to find the workshop manual for the little VW up. So that's been very helpful. Yes, we were right. There is a little bolt at the bottom down here that we need to turn 90 degrees to then release that bottom clip. And then we should be able to go around, unpop stuff, and then it seems like we have to slide it to the back of the car, or the front, to get that off. Okay, that didn't take me 29 minutes just to bloody pop that off. That was kind of intense. So there's like this little retaining clip thing here that in the workshop manual it says pull up, but you definitely don't pull it up. You pull it sideways out of that clip, sideways and slightly up. So yes, I'm in. Got a couple of little electrical connectors to get off, and the door mechanism down there. I should have done this standing up. I'm sure this is probably easier when the door's on the car. Could have just done that, but you know, here we are. So yeah, let's get those good electrical connectors out and the door mechanism. Alright guys, I finally got the door card off. That's a lot harder than some people make it out to be on YouTube, really. Let me show you quick. So what I've learned is there's poppers like these guys that you just pull up on. So there are, if you ever want to do this yourselves, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 poppers along the bottom that you have to pry up, along with turning that little nut 90 degrees. Then the rest of them, these little white ones, are more like slide clips. So you have to slide out. You can see I broke a couple of clips on this one. Doesn't really matter. We're going to replace this anyway, so it's a good test to start with this one. You see, yeah, I broke the clip off the back of the door card here. But if you look, how it works is it's like you don't pull up, you slide out. So they slide out of these clips. So I think, yeah, for the door next on the broken door, I'm going to pop the poppers out the bottom and then attempt to try and slide the entire door card towards the hinges, and hopefully we'll get it off without snapping any of the clips off. Bit of epoxy will probably sort that if I need to fix that. Yeah, let's go get the door card off the broken door and get that all put on this one. Alright guys, that's about it for today. We've got new door in, which is brilliant. It matches the paint, which is awesome news for me. We got the door card off the new door. We took the broken door card out of the car. There's a little bit of repair work I've got to do on that, so hopefully I can get that done before we put that back on the door. I'm not going to put it on right now until we get the new door on the car, get it all wired in, make sure the window works, locks work, all that kind of stuff before I put that door card in. So that's it for today. Next time we will get the new door on and hopefully get this guy on the road and see how it drives, see if we've got to do anything else. Mechanically, I'm sure we do. Probably going to give it a little service anyway. If you've liked today, make sure to give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. There's so much traffic. It's so miserable to drive in this country.